Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect a Time Doctor to Asana. Now, the first thing I want you to do is actually just open your Time Doctor app. Come here, click on Dashboard. It will open up the dashboard on your browser. And come at the top, click on a download. And then here you'll see Windows section. And you'll see this, add the Chrome extension or Firefox add-on. So if you do have the app, I want you to install this one. It's available in the Chrome Web Store and in Firefox add-ons as well. You just click on it and then you click here add to Chrome, click add extension, and it will start downloading. Or if you want to use just the web version, you can come here, click on Chrome OS and click install Time Doctor for Chrome. This is a different extension right here. Okay. And once you have this one installed for the app, what you do, you can go ahead and pin this, and then you open up Asana, right? Just go ahead and refresh. And if you click here, it should be logged in already. And we'll come here to one of our projects. I'll click on this. Let's do this one, schedule kickoff meeting. And we should have this right here, start timer. So we'll click on this and the timer will actually start and it will pick up the project that is being done on Asana. It'll actually pick up that it's Asana as well. As you can see right here, it picked up Asana. And we'll go ahead and pause this. And if we come back here to dashboard, right, and then go to your report, and if we click on project and tasks, it will pick up that we had been working on Asana. As you can see right here, for this user, this is what they were working on. And that is how to connect Time Doctor to Asana.